God has promised, surely, truly, showers of blessing will fall. He gives strength and stands securely, pouring rich gifts over all. Showers of blessing, showers we ask, oh Lord. Send us your constant showers, showers from heaven's reward. Christ has sent the Holy Spirit, our blessed comforter true, filling our hearts with his merit, reigning in love ever new. Showers of blessing, showers we ask, oh Lord. Send us your constant showers, showers from heaven's reward. Give us, oh Lord, freely great, your mighty joy and your might. Fountains of love flowing daily, springing with life and with light. Showers of blessing, showers we ask, oh Lord. Showers we ask, oh Lord. Send us your constant showers from heaven's reward. Make all your servants more faithful. Oh, grant them true courage and grace. Oh, courage and grace. Pour out your gifts most precious, sent by the Spirit's embrace. Then we roll. Showers of blessing, showers we ask, oh Lord, Send us your constant showers from heaven's reward. Make all your servants more faithful, grant them true courage and grace. Pour out your gifts most precious,